Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. What we're going to do today is very important. This is a problem that anyone can face, whether it's us, a friend, or a relative. We often wear a ring and never take it off. Over time, it might gain weight, and then the inevitable happens. We can no longer remove it. This might seem like a minor inconvenience, but it's actually quite serious and very common among ring wearers. Before you know it, the ring might be stuck very tight. The most important thing is, don't rush to cut the ring off. Imagine if it were made of gold. Its value would drop significantly when you resell it. The first solution we usually try is to remove the ring with soap and water. I'm going to try removing this ring just that way now. Let's see if it works. What actually happened was that my finger started to swell, making it even more difficult to remove. To remove it successfully, the first thing you need is a piece of thin string. Here, I'm using an old mask strap. This string is thin and flexible, making it very easy to use. Start by gently threading the ring under the stuck ring. For best results, you can apply a little petroleum jelly to your finger before you begin. This will help the ring slide off more smoothly. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I invite you to subscribe now. Please like the video. This is crucial for the content to reach and benefit more people. Leave your comments, and it's also important to share this video because sharing knowledge is always wonderful. All I have to do is start wrapping the thread around the finger after the ring. This wrapping applies slight pressure to the swelling. Then I pull the thread before the ring and see how easily it comes off. Look how smoothly it slides off, my friends. We got it off easily. This is how we can easily remove a stuck ring from our finger. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, take good care of yourselves. God bless you all.